the Eleaf Amnis kit. Let's have a quick look. Hey guys, Ben Vick here, back with a quick look today. We've got a bonus video, a little extra quick look video today for the Eleaf the Istick Amnis, a brand new starter kit from Eleaf. What is it? Basically, what you've got here is a very small, very dinky 900 mAh battery mod, built-in battery, micro USB charging, rubberized finish on here. It's very, very nice feel, very well put together, and available in a range of colours. In terms of the size, it's very small. If I compare it to an 18650, it's virtually the exact size of an 18650. Very, very small, very, very handy indeed. Which means, you know, super pocket friendly, super durable, out and about. So very handy indeed. Only 900 mAh though, so obviously battery life isn't going to go on and on and on for ages and ages. But yeah, very, very small, very dinky mod. It's got some nice features and stats as well. I'll run through the stats now. It's 24mm wide, 18mm thick, and 71mm high. It's only 34 grams in weight. It's 900 mAh capacity. It's got a wattage output maximum of 30, and it can work down to 0.15 resistance. So very small, very natty, and obviously has in all the built-in features as well, built-in safety features, low voltage cut-off, overcharge protection, short protection as well. So it's got all that built-in stuff. Basically, all that you have to do with this mod is fire button here, 5 clicks on, 5 clicks off. It's also got this little light down here. I hope you can see that. That changes colour as you go down through the batteries. I think it goes green, amber, red. Let's have a look. It does say here. Okay, so yeah, so it goes green, amber, blue, red. And when obviously you're at blue or red, it's time to charge it really. It's getting really low. So yeah, so that is the mod. Very handy, very nice looking, very well made. Start a vape, basically out and about pocket vape. It also comes with this tank. This is the Eleaf GS Drive tank. Just a very simple sort of little clearomizer really. It comes with 2 coil heads, a 0.35 coil head and a 0.7 coil head. So obviously this is the 0.135. It's a little bit cloudier, it's a little bit airier. The 0.7 is still a restricted lung hit, the same as this, but just a much cooler, more chilled out vape. This is how it is vaping with the 0.35 head. Pretty good flavour, pretty good vapor quality, you know, a handy little clearomizer. It's also got a really nice trick on it, this clearomizer as well. 2mm capacity, by the way, adjustable airflow. But it's got a nice trick as well. It's got like a safety feature, like a child safety protection thing on the top cap. So you have to press this little button on the top and then push it to get it to open like that. If you don't press that button, it won't open. It's a nice little handy safety feature. You know, if it falls into your children's hands or whatever, they won't be able to get that top cap off unless they know how to use it. So very natty, very handy. The 0.7 coil head is probably the better one to change in, to put in when you first get this, if you are a new vapor. It's a little bit more chilled out, it's a little bit lower wattage, a little bit calmer, cooler vape, but both the coil heads wick very well and work very well. No major issues with the performance of the tank at all. So yeah, so a very skinny little mod, very handy little starter vape, no major glaring issues. It's going to be very affordable, it's very well made, available in a range of colours, super pocket friendly. The tank, they've done a nice little trick with that top fill. It seems to work absolutely fine. Choice of coil heads as well. Obviously, remember there's no adjustability on this at all. You can't change the the wattage or the voltage on here. So really you need to be happy with the 0.7 or the 0.35 coil head. But one of those should suit your vaping needs. It's not mouth to lung in any way. It's not a mouth to lung vape in any traditional setting or style. It's more like a pod vape, if you like, but just with a changeable tank, easier to fill, you know, traditional setup. Pretty cool. It's pretty cool. This is just a quick look. If you're super interested in this, search around for a full review. This is purely just a quick look, just to get it out there, get you aware of this thing, and give you a look at it. I think it's pretty solid. I think it's pretty handy. I can see a smoker transition into vaping with this, no issue at all. Pretty well put together, pretty well made. I really think it's nice. It's a nice little kit. Not the style of thing I would personally use on a day-to-day basis, of course, but I think it has a place, and I think it's very solidly well done by Eleaf. So let me know what you think in the comments. Like and subscribe if you're not already, and I'll see you on the next video. Cheers.